Hello, thanks for watching this video. Open a horizontal or vertical template in Photoshop. Double-click to edit the Smart Layer Replace. Place a photo in the document. Close the temporary file. Click Save in the dialog window. The basic filter gives the effect of film blur and color distortion of the lens. Expand the color effects layer group and select the appropriate layer or combination of layers. In the additional effects group, there is a vignetting and a direct flash effect. The strength of the effect can be adjusted by the transparency of the layer. To write the shooting date or any text by double-clicking, open the Replace Date Smart Layer. Use the free font DS Digital. Edit and close the temporary document, saving it. In the next group, you can add a film grain effect. In the layer group overlays, there are 5 options for highlighting the film, which can be made transparent, rotated and reflected. The Old Edges group contains 6 options for old photo edges. And finally, there is a group with 3 options for dusty textures, which can also be transformed and combined. Your beautiful nostalgic photo is ready. Check out other templates from the Photo Time Machine Ultimate Collection.